How's it going, guys? We're, back here with another video. And today, I wouldn't count this one as a moto vlog. It's more just me riding my bike. And, talking to you, the public, people. Last video, there's like this black thing always in the corner. And that was something halfway blocking my camera. So, I fixed it. Yeah, so, y'all, that may actually be there. No, it is not. And y'all may have just seen a glimpse of my face, which I really don't feel like doing right now, is, y'all seeing my face. Oh, there's the police. I'm gonna drive off. Don't get the license plate in the video. Okay, I don't know. What should I talk about in this video? See, just riding my bike. Just, talking to y'all. Probably not going to do any tricks since I have a camera with me. Which would suck if the camera would break. But still, making videos. See, I do have two hands on the handlebar, so I'm not holding one and driving. Riding. Which I could do. But I really don't feel like it. So I'd rather just have it strapped to my chest. Think about maybe putting a camera right there, outside the reflector. Just make it look like another reflector. Last video, moto vlog. Today, not really a vlog, just semi-moto vlog, except not riding anything or driving in control. Okay, guys. Man, strap won't come on. I'm just trying to make sure that, nothing's covering half the camera. Which we don't want, do we? We want to see the whole action. Alright. Put out my kickstand. Beer bottle. And the strap in. This thing sucks. See, because I have the strap all the way. Try to have the strap not covering the whole thing. And y'all wouldn't get to see anything. True, camera. All good. So, just riding. Wait for, one of the guys to come back. Then we'll probably do a video there and do a video of something. But you don't know what I'm thinking about recording. Man, this thing's real stiff. This thing's really hard to put on. Well, kick gears, I should say. Is that recording? I'll try and sit up straight. Because I don't want I want y'all to see the road as I'm seeing it. Not just the hand. Which, it's a good day. Not going to show that license plate. So, I'll put the camera down. A rock. That person stared at me. Still not gonna get her camera and the license plate. What's that? Camera and the license plate? What? Get the license plate in the camera. That's what I meant to say. But let's say, we haven't recorded that long. I'll say we'll go for a little longer, you know, just talking. So, you know, probably gonna go exploring. That's an idea for the next video. Exploring. Yeah, I think we should do that. What do y'all think? Comment down below what we should do. Explore. Go back to pond, do some fishing. You know, I say I should do that. Go back to a pond and fish. Well, you know, let's go mudding a little bit. Try not to wreck. Not technically mudding since it's not wet. You can't mud without one. How about we turn this into a double moto vlog? And we have to make it a moto vlog. See, you know, riding the bike was fun. But let's go get on the three-wheeler. Actually, no, maybe I didn't. Because I don't think I have the keys right now. And I don't want to go. So, see you guys later.